Hello, ma'am. How you doing? Okay, your doctor's appointment will be in about like 1 hour or 1 minute actually. So like, just wait here. We'll call you inside. Oh, and if it's a little hot, you could probably come in. Okay? Okay, bye. We'll call you in a little bit. Yes. Hello. You're in my parking spot, lady. I mostly come here every single day for my weekly dentist appointment, and you're in my parking spot. You're in my reserved spot. You're in my VIP place, okay? So I think I need you to move, please. No, you can't? You don't even know how to drive? How did you get here then? Where are your parents? Oh, your mom's inside and she brought you? Okay. Well, just step on the pedal and turn. Do anything to get out of my parking spot, okay? You're still saying no. Get out of my parking spot right now. What is this? If you don't get out of my parking spot, I will make this crack even bigger. Get out of my parking space, ma'am. You're in my... Want me to stop banging on your windshield? Get out of my parking space. You're still saying no. Okay. Here, you want some ice cream while you're at it? Give me my fucking parking space. Why am I cussing? Because you're not giving me my parking space. Ma'am, give me my parking space. Give me my parking space. Give me my parking spot. Mind your business. I don't have to answer why I'm checking my nails. I want to look pretty. Thank you. Get out of my parking space, ma'am. I'm asking you kindly. Yes, this is kindly. Get out of my parking space. No? Okay. You have till 1 minute. I will be right back. You have till 1 minute to get out of my parking space. One minute later. Oh my god, it's been 1 minute and you still haven't even left my parking space? Ma'am, get out of my parking spot. I'll bang on your car windshield anytime I want. I don't care if it has a crack in it. Get out of my parking space. You are driving me very angry right now. Get out of my parking space, you son of a bitch. Get out of my parking spot. I'm gonna start throwing stuff at your car like I did earlier. Get out of my parking space. Right now, this instant. Out. You are driving me really nuts right now. Look, I'm even getting stretch marks because of you. Get out of my parking space. You're still saying no. Okay, you leave me no choice. This is metal. This is what I'm gonna hit your car with if you don't get out of my parking spot. You're still okay, you asked for it. Get out of my parking spot! Oh, you want me to stop? Get out of my parking spot and I'll stop. Get out of my parking space, woman. That's it. I'm opening your car. Get out of my parking space. Get out of You're hiding? Don't be hiding. Yeah, I put a hole in your windshield. Hold on.
Nice, thank you. We know how to make water now. New skill learned every day.